Here's what I just found: Google's most advanced AI models, the ones they're using to power the agentic Gemini era, still exhibit a fundamental flaw they call jaggedness. We're talking about systems that credulously believe outright fabricated stories, even when explicitly told not to. This isn't just a bug. Google DeepMind researchers themselves acknowledge it as a significant roadblock to scientific progress and the smooth path to true AGI. So, how do you become the interface to reality when your AI agents struggle with reality itself? That's the paradox. On one hand, Google I/O 2026 declared this ambitious shift, moving from merely organizing information to becoming that very interface to reality. They're integrating sophisticated Gemini AI agents across everything: Search, Gmail, Android. The scale is immense. In just 2 years, their token serving exploded from 9.7 trillion monthly to a staggering 3.2 quadrillion. This isn't just code, it's fueled by massive capital expenditures on new infrastructure, including a specialized TPU chip architecture, split into TPU-T for training and TPU-I for inference. They are building a new foundation. At the core of this monumental effort is Gemini Omni. This isn't just about text anymore. Omni is a revolutionary model designed to process any input, text, video, sound, and generate any output. We're talking highly realistic video, powered by models like VEO and Nano Banana. Google is even framing Omni's progress in simulating kinetic energy and gravity as a significant leap towards AGI. They're clearly aiming to capture users from OpenAI's chat-centric approach. And it's not just the back-end. They're rolling out the neural expressive design system, specifically optimized for on-demand UI element generation, and the HTML on Canvas API in Chrome, allowing direct use of HTML elements within a canvas for highly interactive user interfaces. It's an end-to-end vision for how we interact with digital reality. Yet, in this competitive race, Google is strategically positioning Gemini Flash 3.5. They describe it as fast, though perhaps not their absolute top-tier model, but its speed is genuinely impressive. It delivers high token output per second and, crucially, outperforms models like GPT 5.5 and Claude Opus 4.7 on specific benchmarks such as Finance Agent V2 and Charchive reasoning. The pricing reflects this new capability. It's 3 times that of the previous version, and 30 times Gemini 1.5 Flash, yet still remains more affordable than Claude. Sundar Pichai is even pitching billions in potential savings for companies. We saw the anti-gravity EID, which mirrors OpenAI's Codex, showcasing its prowess by building a functional operating system in just 12 hours with billions of tokens, even rapidly fixing a driver issue to play Doom. Google is also making moves on the consumer front, cutting prices for its Ultra plan to $200 a month and introducing a new $100 plan, with a search agent for permanent task monitoring slated for professional and Ultra users this summer. But that jaggedness we started with? It's still there. Despite Flash 3.5 fee-test benchmarks and the ambition of Omni, these models still exhibit this deeply unresolved structural property. Their credulous belief in fabricated stories, even with explicit disclaimers, isn't going away quickly. Google recognizes this as a serious hurdle for AGI. The task of making AI agents easy to use, secure, and truly helpful is, by their own admission, still in its early stages. It's a challenge so profound that Karpathy, a former Tesla AI director, moved to Anthropic specifically to research recursive self-improvement, a strategy that contrasts sharply with Google's current perceived difficult path. Paradoxically, Google also continues to integrate and collaborate, using OpenAI's SynthID to check ChatGPT images and signing a Pentagon contract for lawful military AI use. This is a pragmatic approach amidst a visionary AI race, where the interface to reality is proving to have a lot more friction than anyone initially imagined.